Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use placeholders in Camtasia. Launch Camtasia and create a new project. Import the videos you want to use in your project. Drag and drop the videos onto the timeline. Right-click on a video clip and select Convert to Placeholder. This will turn the video into a placeholder, represented by a grey box with a placeholder icon. Repeat this process for all the videos you want to convert to placeholders. Delete the original video clips from the media bin. Import the new videos you want to use. Drag and drop the new videos onto the placeholder clips. Camtasia will automatically replace the placeholder with the new video, matching its duration and position. And that's how you can use placeholder. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.